they come. Yes. See, guys.
They go, they move. They run. Run.
Because of your migrants. Where my name?
You can see what the Nigerian police are doing. Tell them they can. You can see a peaceful protest. You yourself, you are crying.
Leave that place. Come to that is they come. Yes. See, guys.
They go, they move. They run. Run.
You can see what the Nigerian police are doing. Tell them they can. You can see a peaceful protest. You yourself, you are crying.
Leave that place. Come to that is they come. Yes. See, guys.
They go, they move. They run.
Battle to survey Nigeria is a battle of no retreat, no surrender. We must get it.
An IGPC in all of
mistake la ṣe ó yẹ ká ra kerosene dání tó bá ti fi handkerchief rẹ̀ sí kerosene tó gbẹ wá fi bomú ẹ̀ dáṣọ jágbà tó ní náà ní ìrántí mi láàárọ̀ yìí. Odùduwà mi.
No, what they did.
Ama. Sure. No, don't worry.
Bad government! These people are teaching us for a while, we don't give them.
Even people when they throw gas for us, then they hungry. People when they throw tear gas for us, even them they hungry.
When they are hungry, I will not know what they do.
I swear to God, the man that say, "I'm not saying the tear gas for us."
Then they
wanda ba su da adalci a rayuwarsu saboda an ba su da security din duka azzalumai ne ba mu yafe ba Allah ya san ya arewa Allah ya san dan Najeriya.
This is international violence, not domestic violence. Peaceful protests, they don't stone us, they don't kill our 2 people now, they don't dey down there. Nigeria, we wanna check them.
Wait.
I dey ready. Yes, sir. I dey ready. Anything go stop. I dey ready.
Wait.
I dey ready to die today. I dey ready to die today. I'm not afraid to say the truth. Yes. You don't carry anything go there.
Yes, actually, it's unfortunate you can see him drop.
Mic checking.
To him. Carry your thing, Bulumu. Carry tripod.
Hello.
Peaceful protest. We did not touch anything. We did not do anything. They say they no go fight us. We reach Eagle Square now. They come they stun us, tear gas. They don't kill our 2 persons for ground now. We not do anything. They see they fire us. They fire tear gas. They fire shot. They fire bullets. Nigeria people abroad, make one check them. Fight for our rights. Bad government need to come to an end. Enough is enough. Tinubu, we don't want to see you. APC, we don't want anymore. Tinubu, bye-bye.
We are tired of Tinubu. We are tired of Tinubu.
We took it.
We are hungry. We are tired. We are